to understand basic definition about the selection and arrangement. First and foremost thing, once you are going through the permutation and combination, then first thing you will encounter, that is called factorial. What is factorial? किसी से पूछो बोलेगा just continuous multiplication of a number from 1 to number itself, then it is called factorial. Means once you are doing the continuous multiplication 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to n, then we can say it is a n factorial. ये तो mathematical definition. Any physical definition or any different way definition we can say factorial definition? Just we'll look. I will give one good example to understand what is factorial, because understanding factorial is very much important to understand permutation, combination, selection or arrangement or distribution, anything, because everywhere you have to use the factorial. Any of the formula or any of the understanding or any of the theorem will work based on the factorial theorem. Then n factorial, always it will be defined for a positive number, or you can say 0. N is greater or equal to 0. It is not defined for negative number, and 0 factorial will be equal to 1. Number of ways to make r things out of n things. What I am just reading? Number of ways to just make, or here you can write segregate if you want to understand in more simple way. Means number of ways to segregate r things out of n things at a time, not at different time. कि हमें 4 लेना है 10 बॉल में, तो एक बार अभी ले लिए, फिर 2 घंटे बाद जाके लिए 2, फिर अलग से 3 लिए, नहीं. If 4 things you want to take out of 4 balls, if you want to segregate out of total 10 balls, then at a time all 4 you have to pick, all 4 you have to segregate, or you have to take it out. That is called selection. If you are taking a different interval, then it will become not a single selection, it will become a different calculation. Like 1 ball you have taken, you came to home, after 1 hour again you gone, again you have taken 2 balls, then calculation will be different. Out of 10, only 1 you selected one time, then it will become 10C1. Again you have gone for taking 2 balls, then 9 balls only were left out, then again you have taken 2, means 9C2. Calculation will be different. Mathematically also, logically also. Means always if you are applying r things out of n things, then always you keep in mind it should be at a time. It should be at a time. Then we can say it is a selection, or we can write mathematically it is a NCR. This is expansion. If we are expensing a plus b to the power n, then binomial expansion we are getting this terminology, that is called NCR. Means you can say r thing out of n, means factorial n divided by factorial r divided by factorial n minus r.